In this video, we're going to take a walk through the restaurants on the Virgin Voyages lady ships. We're going to start this short journey at the Galley. Now this is on Scarlett Lady, but it's the same on all the lady ships. The Galley is a collection of small, let's say small, like food truck type stands that serve a variety of meals, different kinds. But the nice thing about it, instead of a buffet, everything is fresh cooked. It's cooked to order for you, so it's a great place for a quick bite. We enjoyed all the different things we tried there. We're going to go outside and look at the seating area that's just outside of the Galley. That's a nice place to take your food after you've got it and enjoy the sound of the ocean and the views. Now we're late at night, but it's still a great place to go. We're back inside the Galley just to get out and go to our next destination on this journey. We have to take a look at the Popsicle Cart. And this is the pizza place on Scarlett Lady, and they make really good pizzas here. Extra Virgin is the Italian restaurant on board. We're going to go in and take a look. And one thing to note, there is an accessible men's room right outside of Extra Virgin. The ladies' room's on the other side. Now we're in the wake, and this is one of my favorite places to eat just because of the view. It's just an amazing thing to be able to sit right there and look at that and enjoy your meal. The wake serves steaks and seafood, and they do a great job. Now we're entering Razzle Dazzle. Razzle Dazzle is a very unique decor, and it is the restaurant that primarily serves vegetarian and vegan entrees, though there is a secret menu for those that would like some meat. And now we're entering into Pink Agave, which is the Mexican restaurant on board the ship. They did a great job with Mexican food. A very nice place to eat as well. I can say this, we loved all of the places we ate on the Scarlett Lady. This is the test kitchen. And the test kitchen has a very eclectic and interesting menu. We enjoyed our meals here. We ate things that we probably would never have eaten anywhere else, but it was good.